If you think the trend for massive smartphones is over, you're wrong. This is the Blu Pure XL and it's absolutely gigantic. This is a 6-inch touchscreen on the front of this phone, and as you'd imagine and as you can see, it is pretty large. I can't manage to get my finger across to the other side, so tapping away on a passcode here would be fairly difficult. So don't worry, there's a fingerprint sensor on the rear. It is quite recessed in this panel on the back, which may look metal, but it's actually plastic. The phone has a metal chassis though. And it is a bit of a pain sometimes to get your finger in just the right place. It used to be a bit of an issue. Blu has improved the sensor with a software update, so it has got a little bit better than what it started as. Moving on to the side here, you'll see there's 3 buttons: a top volume control, sleep wake key, and this button at the bottom. And what that is a quick access key to the camera. Hold it down for a few seconds and you're straight into the camera app, and another clip there just takes a photo. So it's quite good. It's not super fast. I think that there are faster examples out there of quick access buttons, but again, because of the size of the phone, it's quite handy to have little additional features like that. If you're wondering exactly how massive this phone is, if you take another massive phone of the moment, the Nexus 6P, you'll see that it is larger than the 6P, but the 6P is more expensive. The Blu Pure XL retails for around $350. That puts it against this, the OnePlus 2, and you'll see the difference in size is considerable against the OnePlus 2, and we would say the OnePlus 2 is a considerably better buy than the Pure XL. Why? Mainly because OnePlus has an excellent version of Android installed, Oxygen OS. Blu, however, uses something very different. It uses its own version. Now, the big thing that annoyed me with this is when you swipe down to bring down the notification tray, you get notifications, but I really wanted to do something with the brightness of the screen, except there's nothing here. Instead, what Blu has done is move it down the bottom. Brilliant, thanks very much. It's not annoying at all to have it down there instead of every other Android phone I've ever used. It's all up here. So little things like that are a bit frustrating. The screen is a very, very high point of the phone. It has a Quad HD resolution, which is excellent for the price point. The camera has 24 megapixels and takes pretty good photos. The processor is a MediaTek chip and isn't particularly well optimized. We get worryingly short battery life for a 3,500 milliamp hour battery stuffed inside this phone. It's not the best Android smartphone we've tried. You can read all of the details in the full review of the Blu Pure XL on Digital Trends right now.